And you offer all these sacrifices. And he says, in the day that this is God speaking. That says the Lord.
Bunny, come home. Come home, Bunny.
He says,
She's scared again
This is Hildy.
as the thunder runs through her fingers.
Come home.
and you offer all these
Come home.
sacrifices.
The thoughts are paranoid
This is God speaking.
of sickness and sickness.
In the day that I led you,
The air is
Every
filled
episode of the Twilight Zone. My name is John. I'm
with so many
Fred.
poisons.
Fred, how you doing this week?
Good.
The senses pretending
The internet's third most popular Twilight Zone podcast.
to breathe them all in.
Question and answer because, when I thought of those, I always thought the Twilight Zone podcast,
You
which
have
was
made it a den
done
of
by Tom Elliott and then taken over by Luke Owen.
The city is
Kind
lonely.
of considered Sharon's Twilight Zone fan club.
It takes a hold.
Granted, only lasted for 4 episodes
Surrounds
because it started like 4 years ago.
it
It's
all.
still at the top of iTunes.
It's concrete
So
streets,
I don't think the fact
strangers,
that, we seem to be the only game
and
that's
nursery
out right now, I don't know if that
extensions
necessarily makes us
without any ending.
Feel comfortable.
As they reach
Feel
out
more
to
comfortable being
nowhere,
like a loser
they touch
star guarding this row. You know what I mean?
Right.
And as we've discussed, it just sounds sad to say the internet's second most popular Twilight Zone podcast. That's just pathetic. Third is comfortably sad. All right, what do we do this?
For our 75th episode extravaganza, we will be discussing Ring-a-Ding Girl.
rip the next
Soon to enter the lexicon of the Twilight Zone, I feel very confident.
Well, ring-a-ding, John.
Ring-a-ding, Fred. This is a episode. It's the 133rd of the production run. It aired originally on December 25th, 1963.
Introduction to Bunny Blake, occupation film actress, residence Hollywood, California, or anywhere in the world. Bunny Blake is a public figure. What she wears, thinks, says is news. But
she
underneath
keeps
the
all
glamour
the
and makeup,
dreams
the build-up, the costumes, the flesh
protected
and
in
blood person,
plastic.
beautiful girl, about to take a long and bizarre
White
journey
picket
into the Twilight
fences,
Zone.
garden greener grass. She waits for the day to fade, the last parade, the winter snow, for the wild glowing wishes
Good for you.
that the
Maybe
dandelions
wasn't right
storm.
because I also felt like there was a lot of like, wow, she's so glamorous.
That the dandelions storm.
Prayer song. What she brings
That the dandelions
But it is
But underneath
storm.
the dings, the ring-a-dings, the ding-a-rings, the ring-dings,
What about Isaiah
is a
56?
flesh and blood
This is
ring-a-ding
really
person.
interesting.
A beautiful
If you read
ring-a-ding
Isaiah
girl
56,
about to
I'll
take a
do this with
ring-a-ding
my
journey
students.
into
And
The ring-a-ding.
I should probably just turn to
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, I completely lost the